Distance time graphs. Distance time graphs show the distance on the vertical axis, time on the horizontal axis. Graphs of distance versus time sometimes consist of line segments, with each segment showing whether the object is moving or at rest. We see the horizontal sections are the sections where we are at rest. Those on an angle are movement. They're straight lines that are at a constant rate. For example, a train station could be graphed with a series of sloping line segments showing travel between stations and flat line segments showing when the train is stopped at a station. So a quick look at this shows us that we've got a couple of sections to this journey. You can see the two stops at the stations, one stop there and another stop there. And we can see, first of all, the train travels until it gets stopped there. The next section of its travelling is faster because it's steeper than this one. So it's a faster section of travel. And then this one here is a slower section than that. The steeper the slope, the faster the travel. Let's look at an example. Tiffany rode her bike to town and back again. And now we have some values, some numbers that we can compare and do some calculations with. So we can see that she left at 9 a.m. and she got home at 5 p.m. The furthest she was away from home is here, which is at about 27 kilometres away from home. It was a big ride. You can see that she stopped twice during the day and 3 consistent trips on her bike. Her story. We see that she leaves home at 9 a.m. She rides at a constant speed, covering 12 kilometres in that first hour. So there's the first 2 hours, First 2 hours, 12 kilometres is travelled. She now has a break and rests for 30 minutes before she continues at an average speed of 10 kilometres per hour for 1.5 hours. So we can do the calculation and find out how far she went, which was 15 kilometres, and it took her 1.5 hours. So she's travelled 10 kilometres every hour. Now we can see that she stops. This time she stops for an hour. It's a longer stop than here. And then she rides back home at an average speed of 9 kilometres per hour. It takes her 3 hours to travel 27 kilometres. 27 divided by 3 is 9 kilometres per hour.